Hello everyone, welcome you all to the Entity Group channel. I am here to teach you all how to write an effective English essay. I'll tell you few secret steps how you can make your essay more effective. Let's move on. So here are some steps of essay writing. We all know that an essay starts from an introduction, then comes the main body or the body paragraph, then comes the conclusion. So we will first talk about the introduction. So in the introduction we write the creative points or key sentences, or we can say facts about our topic. Next, then we start with the body paragraph. Now the body paragraph can be divided into three paragraphs: paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3. So in paragraph 1, it should support the main idea or examples, like according to the experts, we can say that like this, then the research has found. So these are the starting lines or starting points which we can use in our paragraph 1. So the paragraph 1 should support our main idea of the essay. Now paragraph 2. Now paragraph 2, it should contain evidences, proofs or something supporting your main idea. So the paragraph 2 is all the material that supports your main idea of the essay, like furthermore or moreover, or many scholars, many researchers have found. Like these we can use in paragraph 2. Now moving on to paragraph 3. Paragraph 3, it should carry the contrasting views about your topics. So here the contrasting views we mean by the points which we are in favor, and now in paragraph 3 we will write about the points which we are not in favor, the points which are in contrast with the main idea of our essay. So these are the main three paragraphs in which we have to write the body of our essay. Now when we are done with these paragraphs and introduction part, then the last comes the conclusion. So we can conclude by summarizing our topic, by giving some positive note about our topic, some solutions to the problems, or your point of view to improve your conditions. So like example, we can conclude like I think that, to conclude, from my point of view, I would like to say, like these sentences we can begin in our conclusion paragraph. So these are the main 3 points which we help to build an effective essay writing. It's very important to introduce the main idea of the topic. The body of the paragraph is very much important because it contains all the pros and cons of our topic. And conclusion is very essential to make our essay more attractive, like what we have summarized from the above points and what is our main motto of the topic. Hope you all liked all these 3 points and you will implement in your essay writing. Thank you.